Hello from Madison, Wisconsin. Warm greetings to our AURP friends and colleagues from everyone here at Strang. My name is Peter Tan, Architect and Chief Design Officer. We are certainly honored to participate in this year's annual conference. Strang was initially founded in 1935 and has since evolved into an interdisciplinary and award-winning design firm. For over 85 years, we have focused on creating synergy throughout our clients' workspaces. Our comprehensive design services identify client input, explore opportunities and challenges, and only then consider design direction. This business model is vertically integrated. Architecture, engineering, interior design, and planning are all under one roof, providing our clients with a team of experienced professionals. One project, one team. That's what we call design synchronicity, where we keep everyone, client included, involved from beginning to end. The AURP membership and its associated relationships all fuel collaboration, connections, and camaraderie. These values serve to advance human health, economic development, and technology necessary to achieve advancement and a better world for all. When you work with a Strang team, you can expect your projects to cultivate consensus through our collaborative team mentality. Our holistic approach allows for candid conversations and accountability in everything from project goals to daily decision making. We proactively identify problems before they become issues. Our main intention for every project is to reduce the amount of unknown conditions during the design phase. An excellent example of Strang's design synchronicity and comprehensive approach in action today is our ongoing work for the Ascent Innovation Campus, a 40,000 square foot business incubator in downtown Rapid City, South Dakota. We are excited that we are able to collaborate with Rapid City to do what we have done for Madison, Wisconsin's University Research Park over the past 30 plus years. In the mid-1980s, we started with the Science Center, a group of stick-built 100 by 100 foot buildings, inexpensive, just like the existing Ascent Innovation Center building on the South Dakota School of Mines campus. As the University Research Park developed, we created then the Innovation Center 1, Innovation Center 2. This is a two-phase project, each about 40,000 square feet. That facility is just like the Ascent Innovation Campus that's under construction today. Now, as these startup companies grew within the Innovation Center, they needed larger suites. They were going from suites of about 1,000 square feet, 2,000 square feet to about 5,000 square feet. So the next building we did for the University Research Park was the accelerator building. And this building was designed to be optimized for like the 5,000 square foot plus or minus suite size. And then as the companies then grew, they at some point graduated, so to speak, into their own custom design facilities. And among them were projects like Third Wave, NovaGen, Tetronics, and Mentor Biologics, to name a few. Elevate Rapid City, the driving force behind Ascent Innovation's creations, was formed out of a partnership with 4 entities: Rapid City Area Economic Development Partnership, South Dakota Ellsworth Development Authority, Rapid City Area Economic Development Foundation, and the Rapid City Area Chamber of Commerce. These organizations and the community have rallied together to create something that will empower, improve, and invest in the future of Rapid City for years to come.
Hi, I'm Drew Martin, Project Manager of the Ascent Innovation Campus. The Ascent Innovation Campus is strategically located at a focal point, halfway between downtown Rapid City and the School of Mines campus, in the heart of the newly created zoning district meant to foster new business development and innovation. This exciting new facility exemplifies the rising trend of public-private partnerships with multiple stakeholders. With the support of the city, the university, Elevate Rapid City, and local businesses, the Ascent Innovation Campus will be a cornerstone for future development and job creation in the Black Hills region. In our time working in Rapid City, we've learned that the community is on a cusp of a renaissance, largely driven by the innovative students and faculty at the School of Mines and the quality of life offered by the Black Hills. Ascent Innovation is a unique opportunity to deliver entrepreneurship and new business development for the university and the community.
In lieu of the university taking the lead and the resources to develop and manage a university research park, the local economic development organization can be the development arm to house the potential businesses and to foster potential economic growth for their region. Now, this allows the university to focus on the development of the science, the intellectual property, and the training to move the ideas to the marketplace. Other local businesses work to support and mentor the new businesses that reside in the incubator or innovation center. Ascent Innovation is more than just a building. It's an engine for economic development. Over the past few years, we have enjoyed collaborating with Elevate Rapid City, the local economic development arm for Rapid City, to bring this project to fruition. I serve on the board of the Madison Region Economic Partnership, the economic development entity for the 8 county regions surrounding Madison, Wisconsin, and I'm passionate about the ways in which we can work together to cultivate economic development in a community. So Rapid City and Madison share the same challenges facing economic development. Things like job creation, supporting businesses, retaining talent, and mentoring youth and students in workforce development.
Our work in Rapid City began by working closely with local business development groups to identify the most appropriate sites for an innovation district. By identifying areas that would support continued growth for many decades and that would tap into pent-up demand for innovative places, we selected a site that will enable Rapid City to attract and retain the best and the brightest. We met with established local business leaders to understand their dream for the future of Rapid City. Thanks to their leadership and foresight, they recognized that it was also important for us to meet with students at the School of Mines and current tenants of the existing Ascent Innovation Incubator. By doing this, we were able to understand their specific needs as leaders of the next wave of innovation in Rapid City.
Ascent Innovation is more than just a building. It's a catalyst for transforming an entire district in Rapid City. The Ascent Innovation site is in the heart of the Rapid City Innovation District, an underutilized area strategically located between downtown and the South Dakota School of Mines. Rapid City is at a crossroads, at the cusp of something great. Everything is coming together so well for this project to take the community to the next level.
The idea of a crossroads is reinforced through the architecture of the Ascent Innovation Campus. The prominent curve of the public wing of the building occupies a bend in Main Street that literally redirects the flow of traffic from the university to downtown Rapid City. Similarly, the Ascent Innovation Campus will redirect the flow of ideas and innovation. Key public areas in the building emphasize the connections to South Dakota Mines and the business district of downtown Rapid City. Anchoring the main public space, a monumental stair forms an amphitheater-like setting for public gatherings, guest speakers, product pitches, and general community building. A visual connection to downtown Rapid City and the Black Hills beyond forms the backdrop for these critical interactions.
As a science and technology building, Ascent Innovation is more than just a high-tech facility. It's about creating a catalyst for fostering innovation, collaboration, and the flourishing of new ideas. It's a means to an end. It's about harnessing the human spirit, providing spaces for collaboration, for coming together, spaces for events, bringing the community together, spaces for meeting, for pitching new ideas. This facility balances community and privacy, fostering collaboration while acknowledging the need for confidentiality and intellectual property.
The exterior of the Ascent Innovation Campus represents a balance between the pent-up energy and passion for innovation in the community with conservative South Dakota values. The building blends utilitarian, pragmatic space with swooping curves and dramatic volumes. Similarly, it combines typically industrial materials, such as corrugated metal, brick, and concrete, that evoke the vernacular of farming and industry, with the stainless steel and glass that evokes the magic of a sunset over the Black Hills. Inside, we created a single shared public space to become the hub for activity and interaction for all tenants. We understand the power of an impromptu napkin sketch during a serendipitous lunch conversation, and we're committed to creating spaces that will facilitate these types of interactions.
The Ascent Innovation Campus is a multi-tenant building. A well-designed building should always be a good real estate investment. It has to have flexibility and is designed for second, third, fourth, fifth use. It has to have the ability to accommodate the ebb and flow as each tenant grows and evolves. It has to provide the identity for each tenant, and the MEP systems should be flexible enough to handle the churn of tenants within the facility.
We designed the Ascent Innovation Facility from the ground up around a proven structural bay module that easily accommodates uses ranging from private offices to high-performing wet labs. All tenant spaces are designed to be column-free, further enhancing the flexibility to subdivide these spaces as needed. Recognizing that designing for infinite flexibility means infinite cost, our decades of experience with this building type helps us to find a balance point between the two. With this, we're able to define a reasonable baseline for performance and recommendations to supplement these systems in the future as needed, depending on specialized uses.
Ascent Innovation is more than just a space to work. It is an invitation to join a community of small business owners, entrepreneurs, students, freelancers, and city residents dedicated to bring their ideas to life in Rapid City. We believe that Rapid City is on the verge of a major renaissance, not unlike what we have seen firsthand in Madison. The Ascent Innovation Center is more than just a building. It's an engine for economic development and a catalyst for transformation. As Rapid City continues to grow, we look forward to being by their side each step of the way.